Jason Hubbard here with Loyalty Home Group, brokered by Real Broker. Today I am out in Gold Canyon, Arizona, living this desert lifestyle with mountain views all around us, off-road vehicles out back behind us, hunting, all kinds of different stuff you can do out here that appeal people to Gold Canyon. A lot of retired people like it out here. Lots of great views. I mean, that's the main thing out in Gold Canyon. Today, we're going to be looking at the Onyx floor plan, 1,560 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom floor plan with 2 bathrooms and a 2-car garage. You can see it right here behind me. Let's go ahead, go inside, take a look, and see what we have. Okay, as we finish up here at the Onyx plan out in Gold Canyon, we're at Entrada del Oro is the name of the community out here. There's a couple different builders out here. This one offers an array of different homes, but the Onyx plan here is 1,560 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2 baths with a 2-car garage. Again, out here, you're living out here for serenity, right? A little bit of peace and quiet, mountain views, off-road vehicles, hunting, that type of stuff is what you're going to find out here in Gold Canyon. It's not terribly far into town where you can get restaurants and things to do and stuff like that. But out here, it's about serenity. Biggest thing going on right now with builders is massive incentives. They change all the time. So make sure you comment down below if you want to know what today's current incentives are, what kind of price point it is for this Onyx floor plan. Because again, that information changes weekly depending on the market. Right now, the builders are offering massive incentives. Yesterday, I secured over $37,000 in incentives for one buyer. Buying the rate down massively is what most of my buyers are using it for, but most of the builders will let you choose what you want to use that for. Anyways, comment down below if you have any questions. Feel free to check out my other videos touring throughout the valley. And if you have any questions, you can text or comment, reach out, let me know. Have a good day.